Important information. Expect a confirmation po of your application a week prior to the start of the training. So kapag kayo ay nagsubmit ng mga documents, meron po kayong marireceive through email. No? Kaya po, ugaliin po natin magbukas ng email at tama po yung email address na ibinibigay natin o isinusulat natin sa ating training application form. For the training fees, okay, RT course, this is free of charge. This is exclusive only for the railway personnel na nagtatrabaho ngayon in our railway line, railway system. For the FT course, this is with training fee, but the training fee will be shouldered by the railway operator upon employment of successful non-railway personnel to the concerned railway operator. So halimbawa po ako, hindi ako empleyado ng any of the railway operator in the country. Then nag-apply ako in the PRI Fundamental Training Course, wala po akong babayaran. Magsasubmit lang po ako ng application form, notarized undertaking form, at saka po yung iba't ibang mga requirements kagaya ng 2x2, government ID, etc. Then magti-training po ako hanggang sa makapasa ako sa examination. At kapag ako ay nag-apply to any of the railway operator in the country, yung mga nabanggit natin ng mga railway operator, yung certificate po na na-receive ko, which is Certificate of Appearance, yun po kasi ang ibibigay sa akin ni PRI, Kasi hindi pa ako empleyado, ng mga railway operator. So, Certificate of Appearance po yung ibibigay sa akin. Yung Certificate of Appearance, para po yan maging Certificate of Competency, i-convert po yan into Certificate of Competency. Para po makonvert yan, kailangan po magbayad ng nag-hire sa atin. Halimbawa, hinire po ako ng, example lang po ito, hinire po ako ng LRMC, halimbawa. So, meron pong equivalent training fee na kailangan bayaran prior to the conversion ng Certificate of Competency. Yung Certificate of Appearance to Certificate of Competency. So, ganun po yung ating FT course. Okay? For the CDT course and SMT course, yan po ay may mga training fee. So, for the details of the training fee, you may message us in our Facebook page or pwede po kayong mag-email sa amin, sa aming email address sa PRI para po makapag-respond po kami sa inyo ng details about this training fee. For all our documents required, kailangan po natin mag-submit ng printed copy or hard copy. Dito po sa PRI Unit 157, Columbia Tower, Ortigas Avenue, Barangay Wakwak, Mandaluyong City. Hanapin lang po yung room ng training division. Pag nakapasok po kayo sa training division, welcome na welcome po kayo. Marami po mag-a-approach po sa inyo. Okay? Submit the scanned copy of the following via email. Ito po yung email natin sa training division, td.pri@utr.gov.ph with email subject FT course applications, example, cycle 10. Okay? So ang email po natin, kailangan may attachment. Baka po nag-email tayo pero walang attachment. I-attach po natin ang signed training application form at saka po yung ating notarized undertaking form. Paano po natin i-attach? Scan po natin, i-PDF file po natin yung ating mga file, para po may attach po natin sa email. Next is, incomplete submission is considered as no submission. Limited slots only lang po tayo. Kahit po tayo ay nakapag-submit, pero napuno na po ang slots natin in that specific discipline, hindi na po tayo makaka-join for that specific batch or cycle.